So hey guys, the Galaxy Watches and Samsung Health app are awesome smartwatches options available today, and Samsung keeps making them better with each model. The launch of the Galaxy Watch 6 is to be in the coming month. It is anticipated to come packed with new features that could help you track your health even better, almost like having a doctor on call. Back in May, the Irregular Heart Rhythm notification feature received FDA Clearance. And now Samsung has also gotten the green light from Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. A total of 13 markets will soon get to use the IHRN feature. These are among the countries where users will be able to use the IHRN feature. Probably the list will continue to grow over time, making feature available globally. The Galaxy Watch series already has an ECG function which allows users to track their heart rhythm while wearing the device. With the IHRN feature alongside, the smartwatch could catch if something irregular is happening with your heart and send you a notification to pay attention or visit the emergency room. This could be quite helpful, especially for people with heart problems, to track their conditions more easily, and this way lower the risk of major cardiovascular issues that can increase the risk of stroke, heart failure, and other cardiovascular complications. Along with monitoring your heart, Samsung Health app can also measure your skin temperature, blood pressure, and body oxygen levels, so it sure can feel like getting a regular doctor's checkup. Of course, don't count on it to give you some sort of diagnosis. If you don't feel well, it is always better to visit a doctor. We will have to wait a bit longer to get this new feature because it will first launch with the Galaxy Watch 6 series. After that, a One UI 5 watch update will be available for users of the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 series. It looks like Samsung's Unpacked event is happening on July 26th, which is a bit unexpected since they usually hold it in August. Industry insiders are scratching their head over the earlier date, but it's confirmed that the event will be held in South Korea. So what do you think about this Watch 6 feature? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.